Hi there, yesterday we spoke about BANanoVuetifyAD3 class templates and how to install them. We have added one more template, and after reinstalling the update, you will now have a CRUD page template that you can customize to meet your needs. This new CRUD template comes with a predefined layout that you can update to meet your form design. It's attached here as a baseline. After copying the new class library to your external B4J libraries folder, then added it via the Libraries tab, you will be able to access the additional CRUD template. This is the example of the attached layout. To customize it, just replace the V field items inside the form and define your own. After that, generate members. This template comes with a data table, a data source and fields inside the form. The data source is bound to PHP, and you need to update it to reflect your connection parameters and database and table to use. To add a new CRUD page, go to the project folder, new module, and select BANanoVuetifyAD3 CRUD page. It comes with predefined source code. You can then use your newly defined layout with new fields and replace the provided content. To make things quicker, just replace the fields on the form, update the data source and generate the new members. I have provided the schema of the backend for the CRUD page. More details are provided on the data source. We will now see how an example of the CRUD page looks like in real life. Draw your attention to the data table, the edit buttons, the delete buttons, and the adding of a new project. With the CRUD template, you are able to reproduce this type of functionality for any table schema you want. Also, understanding how the V-form and V-fields work will be an added advantage. This methodology will meet your basic CRUD functionality using the data source, data table, V-form and V-fields.